So, in my entire life, I never knew that some men can cook more better than women. So, this is my husband's signature cooking, and this is how he prep everything that we'll be using to cook our Christmas stew. So, here we have our fresh tomatoes, our steamed fresh tomatoes. He poured it into our mortar, then he'll be using this pestle to grind it since we don't have blender here in our house. So while he was grinding the tomatoes inside the mortar, he checked for the meat that is on the gas. He turned it very, very well so that everything will mix together. The reason of him turning it is for the ones that is on the upper side to go down to the bottom of the pot, and the ones under will also come up. And after doing it this way, when he is done cooking the meat, the taste will come out so delicious. So after that, he continued grinding the tomatoes, and here he is almost getting to the finishing point. You can see how it is now, very smooth. So this is what he got after everything. This is it here. He bring it closer to my camera so that you guys will see it. So hope he tried. Rate his work from 1 to 100. So after here now, he proceeded in frying the meat. The first thing he did was to add in the vegetable oil inside the pot. He added enough of it because he will be doing it deep frying. And after that, he went in with one whole onion. So I asked him the reason of him putting this onion inside the oil. So he told me that it's for flavor. Like the onion will give onion flavor to the oil. Then after frying the meat, it will have a good taste, like it will have onion flavor taste. So I learned this from my husband this day, and I'll be trying out maybe in my next cooking if I have the opportunity to cook with a chicken or a fish, anything. So after frying for a while, he bring out the meat from the oil. So this is the first batch, and he will also repeat the process with the second batch, and this is how he will continue to fry all the meat until everything finishes. So this is the second batch here, and after frying this second batch, I'll show you guys what we have. And this is it here. So hope he tried. And at this point, I know we are really progressing. So after frying the meat, he went ahead to fry the fish as well. So this is our steamed ice fish. He fried it, and without wasting much time, he flip it over so that the other side will fry as well. And here he is done frying it. So guys, at this point, I learned a lot from my husband. That was why I told you guys earlier that I never knew some men will cook more better than women. I'm not talking about myself because I know I am a professional chef. I'm talking about some women. So this is what we got after frying our chicken. So hope we try. This is some part of the chicken, and some will be using it just as we steamed it. So thank you all for watching.